That sucked.
Bald guy said what everyone already knew. 3 shaker cups. 3 shaker cups. 3 shaker cups. 3 shaker cups. Not even close. 5 juggling rings.
Crap.
Boo!
Shut up.
That one's gonna fall out now. They're just stuffed animals. And pretzel. Here we go. And pretzel. Pretzel. That would get a couple more pretzels.
That's terrible.
But 9 plungers plunging.
Oh, so
plungy, plungy. No, plungers are stuck together. 9 plungers plunging. Just plunge.
One of these is
Plunge.
sticky.
So white that one was.
It's like really sticky.
Well, no, why did we bring the used ones?
Oh no.
Grab a fire extinguisher and you get against the board over here. Now, you drop the bow. Come on. You know how much extra I had to pay for the Martha Stewart fire extinguisher now? Oh, man. Hang on. Ah, look at that.
Touching it.
You touched it like 3 times.
I know. Did you see that?
Oh my
Look at
God,
that.
you knocked 3 grains of salt off
That's
it.
not a joke. It actually did. One shot off at the first one of those. Take your hand off so I don't break the pretzel rods.
Yeah,
I don't want to have to tape more up.
That was really, you had them lined up.
I know.
It was
I'm
really-
kind of good at this. Would you prefer a seemingly random pattern?
I would like it to seem random, but not be random at all.
Okay, fine. I subscribe to chaos theory. Eventually, if the logarithm works out far enough, it all becomes pattern-based.
Maybe you should focus on what you're about to do.
Maybe you should shut up.
Okay.
Hey, how's your brain?
It's moving.
Yeah.
All right, so you just need to clamp down, all right? If you clinch up inside there, it'll stop the bleeding. You need to turn. No, he needs to learn this, okay? With the right attitude, you can change an aneurysm into an aneurysm.
Okay. All right, it's on me.
It is.